Umaga. Gising na lahat. Luto na sila. Dahil sa kusina, luluto na sila. Good morning. Punong abala namin. Kailangan lamaga kasi magbiyahe pa. Good morning. Day 1 na namin dahil pa kami pupuntang underground river.
Ito rin po, dati na po I'm sorry. So, mayad nga adlaw, kanindong tanan. It means good day to everyone in our local dialect here in Paso Princesa, Palawan. Puyo noon. Mayad nga adlaw. Good day po. My name is Bambi. And I will be your tour guide for today. We are really happy to welcome you here in our beautiful city, one of the greenest and cleanest city in the Philippines.
Oo nga, totoo.
So for today is underground river. So underground river is the longest navigable underground river in the world. Yes, so it is located at Sitio Sabang, Barangay Kaiboyugan. It's 76 kilometers away from the city proper, so approximately you will be traveling for 1.5 hours po. Travel.
Hello, paggutom.
Ayan, very good. Kain lang. Dahan-dahan lang, baka mabilaupan.
Okay po.
Sisikat pa ako dito. Opo. Uy, mamag!
Day 1. Gaya ako na eh.
Totoo lang.
Saan po yung bahay po ng pump?
San Manuel po. Bago ko direct. This is the main road, Rizal Avenue po.
Highway na po to.
Here guys.
May clue na tayo guys. Finding ang pump. Barangay San Manuel. So, drive kami 1.5 hours. So, 76 kilometers po. Ba't yan matagal-tagal? Kita notes na lang doon. Stop over muna kami. Overlooking view daw. Tingnan lang namin 5 minutes view deck dito. Sobrang konti ng sasakyan sa daan at least. Mas madaan sa yung mga souvenir din dito na tinitinda yan. Meaning ngayon.
Parang bibig wala doon yan.
Kasi yung view deck nila, okay lang. View deck. Pakakababa lang namin ng van. Kailangan muna daw pumila, waiting area para sa bata. Punta na gate. So nga lang, takot ng tiyan ko. Mabay pa yung tiyan.
We're here at the wharf waiting for our train to ride our boat. In the meantime, we're gonna have our TikToks.
Pwede na kami sumangay sa mangga, mapunta sa Beba. Let's go! Life best daw, life best. Tayo lang po, kami lang po.
Deep in your eyes, there's a fear of coming. But darling, there's no use in running. We tried it all, and we're better off alone. And I
Go.
I'm scared
Wala kami sa isla.
just for a moment. I want you to hold me the night. Remember all the ways we went wrong.
Wala yung pinaka-tigilan dito bago pumasok sa cave.
It feels like it's nothing to lose.
Isla! Pagdating dito sa isla, isang pila na naman. Pero ang dami monkey, oh. Monkey, monkey! Yes, na naman tayo, mga workers.
Minion!
Ba na lang. Start na lang lakad. Ilang minutes na ting lakad eh. Malapit lang pala to. Malapit lang pala. Sige po. Sunod po kami. Sunod din doon. Pipila na naman. So, habang nag-aantay, kasi nagkakagulo na daw sila sa pila, picture muna kami. Yan. Pero ang ganda, Brad. Okay na kami. Going in. We're going in. Are we there yet? Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Sa libro lang namin ito nakikita. Pasok na kami.
Take me by the hand, it last dance. We can ruin all of the plans. I don't care if our friends say they don't understand, 'cause I don't think
May background song pagpasok. So yan.
waiting on you my whole life. You walked into my world around the perfect time, and I won't lie, I'm a little shy, but I'll suck it up this time, 'cause I want you. It's getting late, but I don't wanna leave. I like the feeling of you next to me. We can stay up and talk until 3. I'm down to see where this leads, 'cause I don't think that there's enough time in this whole night to get to know you in the way that I want to. We can make it work, I'll be crossing a state line. Didn't think that I would fall till I held you. Take me by the hand, it last dance. We can ruin all of the plans. I don't care if our friends say they don't understand, 'cause I don't think they know.
So, ang dami naming natutunan. Hindi lahat nakasulat sa libro. Sobrang worth it. Ang nila, yung earnings. Ang ganda, hindi lang matututo pa. Yung librong Kasarana, pinag-aaralan ng elementary. Madami palang hindi nakasulat doon eh. Ang natutunan ko ay ang tawag daw sa maliit na ay bata.
And ang stalagmite is
Ang stalagmite
coming from the ground.
from the ground.
Stalactite
Side, top. Sila yung
coming from
nauna.
the top.
Try nyo din. Sobrang ganda. Pero, gutom na kami. So, guys, next, kain na. Kain muna daw 5 minutes. Galing dito sa sa warp daw. Tapos buffet daw yung kakainin na. Ay, gutom na, alaw na. Guys, may tinitinta silang shake. Wala daw doon sa kakainan na shake.
Para mag-teach na
Sabi ko, shikibadi na, shikidik.
Pero
Nakauwi na kami. Kapain lang kami dito. Badjao Seafront Restaurant since 1996.
They're calling me up, always asking me to hang.
Ganda dito,
But I've got my
tahimik.
own path, a different tune to sing. I'm chasing dreams, finding
Sabi
roads
daw
I
nila
need to
masarap daw
see.
yung pagkain. Tingnan namin.
No
Pero
time to
seafood
waste
bawal
on
tayo.
drama, that's not for me. I'm just living my life, holding my vibe, growing every day with a clearer drive. I'm not ignoring the world, I'm just alive.
Tingin pa lang nangangati na eh.
Just living my life.
Buhay na buhay. See that?
Taking my steps
seafood. Sakat lang dyan. Ito niya.
Just a vision in
Lapu-lapu.
sight.
I want fish sinilaw.
People lift you
Yung price nila is okay lang naman.
Tsaka ano sa akin.
Affordable naman, mura.
Walang
pero
kanin.
sugar, maganda.
Oo, meron pa lang yang siya.
This is me before eating crab.
see the spark I hold.
Alam niyo.
Guys,
Mahilig ako nun.
lahat pala kami allergy. Akala ko ako lang eh. May allergy rin.
Kaya lang nung ano, nagkamali yata ng luto si Lay.
Oo.
Ano?
Ganun ba yun? Pag allergy, maling luto?
Hindi, ano kasi.
O, paliwanag mo.
Hindi, ano lang yun, hindi siya marunong magluto nun eh.
Oh. Lay, di ka daw marunong magluto.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ginawa.
Mali lang luto. O, Lay, wag mo na pagluto to.
Just living my life, owning my vibe, growing every day with a new tribe. I'm not more in the world, I'm just alive in my life. I'm just living my life, open heart, open mind. Real ones stay close, and I leave the rest.
Busog na kami. Kami ng tricycle, pabalik. Para tayong ano eh, yung ano, sumo wrestler oh.
Para tayo muna dyan.
Yan oh.
Kaya sa Pacific lang.
Eh, ano, tapos na yun?
When you're